Hey friends, Denise here. I'm going to tell you about these great stools from NUMANU. I'm so excited they sent them to me when I'm out here camping with my friends and I don't want to haul my big chair around. I love these chairs. Check them out. You've got a handle here to carry. You've got a carrying strap you can use. And this is the big one. I'm not a small lady, so I like having a big chair or big stool that I could sit on. One of the things I really like about this is that you can see here it has a lock or unlock feature. So it's not going to come unlocked on you. It's going to stay locked and you don't have to worry about it coming apart. But what you do is you grab it on this side and you grab it on this side and you twist. And now it's locked, so let me unlock it. And you twist and expand, and then it locks into place. And you can have a tall stool, or if you need something shorter, you twist it and you can make it smaller and you can have a shorter stool. I like the tall one because my knees are old and I don't want to be leaning down. And then it even comes with this great pad, and so you lock it into place, you lock the top, and then the pad goes right in here, and then you can just sit on it and it will swivel. So it makes it really cool and easy to hang out with friends and have conversations. I really like this stool and I thank NUMANU for sending it to me. Thanks for watching.